right, I'm at the International Association of Plumbing Mechanical Officials booth here at the Kitchen and Bath Expo in New Orleans, Louisiana, and I'm going to talk to Brenda Madonna with, I'm going to say IAPMO for short, okay?
Yes.
And I think everybody knows who IAPMO is, but man, welcome to New Orleans, and tell us what's happening here at the show and why you're here at the Kitchen and Bath.
Thank you for having us. This show is always an exciting event for us every year. It's our biggest show. We focus on a lot of the major manufacturers here and all their new products that they're launching. New changes to laws and requirements, such as the low lead requirements that are coming into effect and will be a federal requirement in 2014. So it's something that we always look forward to doing so we can help educate the industry and help make sure that all the standards are being met as required by jurisdictions throughout the U.S. and Canada.
Now, the industry knows the IAPMO brand certification. It's kind of like Energy Star to equate to what we're talking about here. But maybe my consumer listeners, my DIYers, might not be familiar of how important IAPMO really is and what you're doing to protect them. Because I know you've been protecting the public's health and welfare for over, what, 85 years?
Yes, for over 80 years, exactly. The Uniform Plumbing Code was established over 80 years ago as a means of providing a guideline or set of standards that the industry could follow to ensure that products are meeting certain expectations as far as performance go and health and safety. And that's what IAPMO does. IAPMO provides a strong foundation for plumbers, manufacturers, and consumers so they know what to look for when it comes to a quality product and a safe product.
Now, IAPMO has many divisions, certifications. Now, this is the R&T part of IAPMO?
Yes.
Can you explain?
Definitely. We have multiple business units, as you mentioned, but the R&T division, which is the research and testing division, handles both testing and the certification of products. And that's basically the process that the manufacturers here will go through. They have to submit their products for testing so that they can show that their products comply with requirements, and then we certify that product. This tells the world that the product meets its health and safety
criteria,
requirements.
Whatever the code is
Exactly.
at the time.
Exactly.
So y'all assist in training, certification, education?
Yes, we run the gamut. We provide a full source of educational tools for plumbers, for licensing, for the manufacturers, for raw materials, for consumers, any aspect. We provide our services to all aspects of the industry.
And I think maybe my listeners might not realize that IAPMO is just not a U.S. thing. This is a global training. Everybody wants clean water, fresh water, treatable sewage or whatever.
Right.
And,
Right, because products are being manufactured all over the world. So we are definitely an international company. We have representation all over the world, specifically for that reason. So we're readily available, multiple languages and time zones to assist the plumbing industry. So we do have offices here in the U.S., but our mark is also widely accepted throughout Canada. Mexico's in the process, and we do also have offices in Beijing. We have another lab in Guangzhou. So we have definitely international representation.
One of the other questions, when I come to these trade shows, you have the established companies, but you also have the entrepreneur, the startup company, the technologies of the future, or the most innovative home improvement products. And you get to see this firsthand, say when they first started, compared to it comes down the line.
Exactly.
And to have that trust factor, because if I'm a manufacturer, I need somebody to trust my product, and IAPMO's got that label. I think it's going to give me a good running. I guess what I'm saying is I have a better chance to succeed.
Yes, it does. Having the mark on your product definitely gives you the credibility that you're going to need in order to ensure that your product is widely accepted in many jurisdictions, definitely.
Well, Brenda, I want to thank you for being our guest on HTTV. Why don't you go ahead and give us a website? How can we learn some more information about IAPMO?
The website for IAPMO is www.iapmo.org. And from that link, you can access all the multiple business units, whether it be membership or testing or certification. And the 800 number would be 1-800-472-4100.
I want to thank you for being on HTTV and for being on our show.
Well, thank you, Mike, for having us. It's always a pleasure.
All right. And I want to thank you for listening to HTTV. I'm the Cajun contractor, Michael King.